Is your CPU secretly holding back your FPS and causing a bottleneck without you realizing it? In this video, I'll show you how to optimize your CPU and fix bottlenecks for better gaming performance. By the end of this guide, your system should feel faster, smoother, and more consistent in games. So guys, first press the Windows key, type Registry Editor, and open it from the search results. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes, so it launches with administrator access. Once Registry Editor opens, look at the address bar at the top, then copy the exact path from the video description, paste it there, and press Enter. This will take you directly to the Gaming Scheduler section and save you time. Now move to the right side panel where the registry values are listed. First locate GPU priority, double-click it, and set the value to 8. This gives higher scheduling priority to GPU-related gaming tasks. Next, find priority, double-click it, and change the value to 6. This raises the overall priority of game workloads compared to background tasks. Now, locate scheduling category, double-click it, and set it to high. This tells Windows to classify games as high-priority tasks for smoother scheduling. After making all changes, click OK where needed and close Registry Editor because the values save automatically. Think of this like a busy highway where your game traffic is stuck behind random background vehicles. By changing these priorities, you're giving your game the fast lane, so important tasks move first. This helps improve frame consistency, smoother performance, and can reduce CPU bottleneck behavior during gaming. Alright guys, now press the Windows key, type Command Prompt, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator so we can unlock the hidden performance plan. Once the command prompt window opens, copy the command from the video description, paste it into the window, and press Enter. This command enables the ultimate performance power plan inside Windows. After that, type powercfg.cpl, then press Enter. This will open the Power Options window directly. Inside Power Options, select Ultimate Performance. This allows the CPU to boost faster and maintain higher clock speeds under heavy load. Now, click Change Plan Settings next to the selected plan. Then click Change Advanced Power Settings so we can adjust deeper CPU behavior. Inside the Advanced Settings window, expand Processor Power Management. First, locate Minimum Processor State and set it to 100%. This keeps the CPU ready at full responsiveness instead of aggressively dropping clocks. Next, find Maximum Processor State and set it to 100%. This allows the processor to use its full boost potential when gaming or under load. After making both changes, click Apply, then click OK to save everything. Think of this like driving a sports car that keeps shutting the engine down every time you slow slightly. Then when you need power again, it takes time to wake back up. By using Ultimate Performance and locking CPU states properly, your processor stays ready instantly, helping reduce clock fluctuation stutter and improving smoothness. Alright guys, quick tip before we continue. If you're still using an unactivated version of Windows or overpaying for software, you're honestly wasting money for no reason. I've been using this site called Keysoft, and it's basically a marketplace where you can get Windows 11 Pro and Office Pro keys for way cheaper than official prices. First, just open Google and search for Keysoft. Then, click on the first result. You'll land on their product page, and from here, you can just select what you need and add it to your cart. Now, this is the important part. Before you check out, make sure you apply the discount codes. Use VORTEX50 for Windows products and VORTEX62 for Office products, and you'll see the price drop instantly. After that, you can just proceed to checkout and choose your payment method like PayPal or credit card. So yeah, if you want genuine keys at a much lower price, check out Keysoft. I've left all the product links in the description. Go grab them from there and apply the codes before they expire. Now guys, press the Windows key, type Core Isolation, and open it from the search results. Once the Core Isolation window opens, look for the option called Memory Integrity. Turn Memory Integrity to off. This can reduce extra CPU overhead created by Windows security virtualization layers, which may improve FPS in CPU-limited games. After disabling it, restart your PC so the change fully applies. Think of memory integrity like adding an extra security checkpoint before every task reaches the CPU. That improves protection, but it can also slow things down slightly when performance is the priority. By turning it off, your processor can focus more on gaming workloads, which may improve FPS and responsiveness in CPU-heavy games. Alright guys, now press the Windows key, type System Configuration, and open it from the search results. Once the System Configuration window opens, go to the Boot tab at the top. Now click Advanced Options. Inside the new window, check the box called Number of Processors. After checking it, open the drop-down menu and select the highest number available. This tells Windows to use all available CPU cores during startup so the system can initialize faster and more efficiently. Think of this like having 4 workers available, but only sending 1 worker to do the job. When you allow all workers to help, the task gets finished much faster. After selecting the highest number, click OK. Now move to the Services tab inside System Configuration. First, check the box Hide All Microsoft Services. This is very important because it prevents you from disabling essential Windows services needed for the system to run properly. Now review the remaining third-party services and uncheck unnecessary ones such as launchers, update services, or software you don't need running all the time. Keep enabled important services such as GPU driver services, audio driver services, required anti-cheat services. Once you finish reviewing the list, click Apply, then click OK. Think of background services like extra passengers sitting in a car while your CPU is trying to race. Even if they're not doing much, they still add weight and slow things down. By reducing unnecessary startup load, your PC uses more resources for gaming, which can improve startup speed, smoother FPS, and better responsiveness in CPU-limited games. Alright guys, now that your CPU is optimized, the next thing to fix is network instability in online games. So we'll use Gear Up Booster to reduce ping spikes and packet loss. To get started with Gear Up Booster, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the Gear Up Booster interface. The first thing you'll need to do is log in with your Facebook or Google account. You can also enter the special code shown on screen to unlock a free trial of the Pro features. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. For example, I'll select Fortnite. Click the Boost button and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now, go to the Node tab where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using Gear Booster. Now guys, press the Windows key, type Group Policy Editor, and open Edit Group Policy from the search results. Once the window opens, use the folder list on the left side and go step by step into these locations. Computer Configuration, then open Administrative Templates. Next, open System. After that, open Power Management. Then open Power Throttling Settings. Now move to the right side and double-click Turn Off Power Throttling. Select Enabled. Enabling this policy actually disables power throttling and stops Windows from limiting process performance to save power. After changing it, click Apply, then click OK to save the setting. Now restart your PC so the change fully takes effect. Think of power throttling like a coach telling your fastest player to slow down just to save energy. That may help efficiency, but it hurts performance when speed matters. By disabling it, your CPU can respond more freely, helping improve responsiveness, smoother gameplay, and more consistent performance behavior. Now guys, press the Windows key, type View Advanced System Settings, and open it from the search results. Once the System Properties window opens, stay on the Advanced tab. Under the Performance section, click Settings. You'll now be inside the Performance Options window. First, select Adjust for Best Performance. This disables unnecessary animations, fades, shadows, and extra visual effects that use CPU and GPU resources in the background. Now, we don't want Windows to look terrible, so manually re-enable only these two options. Smooth edges of screen fonts. This keeps text looking clean and easier to read. Show window contents while dragging. This keeps Windows usable and easier to move around smoothly. After enabling those two options, click Apply. This keeps Windows clean and responsive while removing most visual overhead. Now stay inside the same window and go to the Advanced tab. Under Processor Scheduling, select Programs instead of Background Services. This tells Windows to prioritize the app you're actively using, such as your game, instead of giving equal focus to background tasks. Think of Windows visual effects like decorative lights and moving displays inside a gaming room. They may look nice, but they still use electricity and attention that could go toward performance. By removing the extra visuals and prioritizing your active game, your system focuses more resources where they matter most, helping improve responsiveness and smoother gameplay. That's it, guys. If this guide helped you fix bottlenecks and boost performance, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more advanced optimization tutorials.